the Secretary General, Mrs. President, fellow delegates, ladies and gentlemen, Dobar Večer. It is an honor to represent Bulgaria at the 14th Annual Conference of Model United Nations 2016 in Thessaloniki. Bulgaria became a member of the Security Council of the United Nations in 1955 and since 1966 has become a non-permanent member of the Security Council 3 times, most recently from 2002 to 2003. Bulgaria was also among the founding nations of the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe in 1975. It joined NATO on 29 March 2004, signed the European Union Treaty of Accession on 29 April 2005, and became a full member of the European Union on January 1st, 2007. Bulgaria wishes to tackle significant issues through debate here. We are clearly concerned by the world's major problems, such as the migration crisis in Europe, which have created division in the European Union over how best to deal with settling refugees according to human rights. Xenophobia and religious tolerance are also relevant issues which should be discussed and solved. We are here to collaborate and find solutions to other crucial issues such as education, health, and distractions caused by armed conflicts. Bulgaria's contribution to the discussion of those critical issues is an attempt to create a better world for all the people, and we hope that this conference will result in decisive, safe, and effective resolution according of the affirmation important concerns of our times. Bulgaria wishes you all the most fruitful debate during these 2 days. Thank you for your attention. The delegation of Bulgaria now yields the floor to the President.
Thank you, dear Ambassador General, Mrs. President, distinguished Chair, fellow delegates, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It is an honor to represent Croatia at the 14th Annual Conference of Model United Nations 2016 in Thessaloniki. Croatia is a member of the European Union, the Council of Europe, the World Trade Organization, as well as a founding member of the Union for the Mediterranean. Croatia has been a member of the United Nations Organization since the 22nd of May 1992, immediately after it was recognized as an independent state by the United Nations. As an active participant in the United Nations peacekeeping forces, has contributed troops to the NATO-led mission in Afghanistan and took a non-permanent seat on the United Nations Security Council for the 2008-2009 term. We have gathered here to work together and deal with massive problems that torment the globe. We are greatly worried about the ISIS attacks in several parts of the world, which cause religious intolerance. We are very worried about the armed conflict that led millions of people to seek asylum in European countries, which not always respect their rights to do so. Unfortunately, xenophobia and racial discrimination have replaced acceptance and tolerance. We must join and fight together against all the aforementioned problems, and also discuss and solve other issues concerning health and education until we reach a point that will satisfy all the vulnerable parties. It is our obligation to take concrete and targeted steps to move as expeditiously as possible toward the preservation and full realization of these rights that each and every human should enjoy. The Croatian delegation would like to wish you all a fruitful debate during these 2 days. Hvala. Thank you for your attendance. We yield the floor back to the President.